Okay, we're all set up. We're going to do the rear gear on the Dana 44 with the E-locker. There's some special process we've got to do for this. I'll link some videos of where we found good information of how to set this up. Very similar to the front, just a little bit different having that electronic locker in there. But get this thing pulled out, probably just do a time lapse on it. Nothing really new I think we're going to learn from this one, but we'll link some good videos for you guys. Alright, just a quick update. We got the carrier, everything changed out on it. Started getting our first gear pattern in here. We've shimmed the pinion once. I think we got to take just a little bit more out. We're just a little bit deep into the gear here, but backlash got set. We're right at 6,000, so we feel pretty good about that. So we're going to pull the carrier back out and adjust the pinion depth, and hopefully this is the last time we have to touch it. We got the first axle taken care of, got the towing wheel on, got the bearing and whatever this bearing retainer is. Obviously this is the old axle. We actually have first driver's side in. Everything seemed to go pretty good. If you can see in there, they got the pretty good alignment on the towing wheel, but yeah, we'll get the other side knocked out. Getting close. All right, so the battery ended up dying, so you didn't get to see the passenger side axle here get put in and getting the bearing and everything on, but we got everything ready to go, so we're going to finish up getting the axle retainer bolted up. We'll get the brake caliper mounted back on. Everything will be ready to go back here. Reinstall the wires for the wheel speed sensors, and we'll get the rear diff put on.
Subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell button. Stay tuned.
Thanks for watching.